Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best refrigerator mini fridge with freezer on the market. The BLACK+DECKER BCRK17V compact refrigerator. Whether you need a space-saving solution for your dorm room, office, garage, or even an RV camper, this mini fridge delivers convenience and performance in a stylish, compact package. Measuring just 17.5 inches deep, 18.5 inches wide, and 19.7 inches tall, this refrigerator fits comfortably in tight spaces without compromising on storage. It offers a total capacity of 1.7 cubic feet, cleverly designed to maximize space. Inside, you'll find a removable glass shelf that not only provides room for food and beverages but also makes cleaning a breeze. The door features two shelves. The upper shelf accommodates cans or small containers, while the lower shelf is tall enough for liter bottles, wine, or milk. One of the standout features of this mini fridge is its built-in freezer compartment. Though compact, measuring approximately 10.8 inches wide by 2.75 inches tall, it's perfect for storing frozen meals, ice packs, or a pint of ice cream. It even comes with an ice cube tray, so you can keep ice handy without needing a separate freezer. The BLACK+DECKER is designed for flexibility and ease of use. Its door is reversible, allowing you to customize the swing direction to fit your space perfectly. The refrigerator also includes adjustable leveling legs to keep it stable on uneven floors. Temperature control is adjustable, letting you dial in the perfect chill, down to 33.8 degrees Fahrenheit at the lowest setting, which ensures your food stays fresh and beverages are nicely cooled. Energy efficiency is another key benefit. This mini fridge runs quietly at just 45 decibels, making it ideal for noise-sensitive environments like bedrooms, waiting rooms, or even baby rooms. Plus, it consumes very little power at around 70 watts and is ENERGY STAR certified, meaning it meets strict energy efficiency guidelines and helps reduce your electricity bills. The exterior design is sleek and modern, available in silver, black, and white finishes, making it a great fit for any decor style. Its compact size and flat back design allow for easy placement on countertops, desks, or floors without taking up too much room. Durability is backed by a 1-year warranty covering parts and labor, along with a 2-year warranty on the compressor, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. To summarize, the BLACK+DECKER compact refrigerator is an excellent mini fridge option for anyone needing a reliable, stylish, and efficient cooling solution with the added bonus of a freezer compartment. It's perfect for small spaces and versatile enough for a variety of settings, making it a top contender. If you're shopping for a compact refrigerator with freezer, thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more honest product insights. See you next time.